Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up render deployments for full stack apps. Easy tutorial step by. To set up render deployments for your full stack application, start by creating an account on Render's website. Once you've logged in, click on the New button in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Select Web Service from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your service in the provided field. Now, choose the appropriate environment for your application, like Node, Python, or Ruby. Next, connect your Git repository by selecting the version control system you use, such as GitHub or GitLab. Authorize Render to access your repository if prompted. After selecting the repository, Render will automatically detect the branch you want to deploy. Choose the branch you'd like to deploy, usually the main or master branch. In the Build command section, specify the necessary commands to build your app. For example, you might use npm install for Node.js applications. In the Start command field, enter the command to start your application. This is often npm start or similar, depending on your framework. Set your region preference to choose where your service will be hosted. Scroll down to the Environment section and specify any needed environment variables. Add database URLs or API keys if your application requires them. Review the settings you've configured for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on the Create Web Service button. Render will begin the build and deployment process. You can monitor the progress in the Render dashboard under the Deployments section. Once the deployment is complete, Render will provide a unique URL for your application. You can visit this URL to see your application live. If needed, you can make adjustments to your service settings at any time by returning to the dashboard. Remember to push any changes to your Git repository to redeploy your application seamlessly. With these steps, your full-stack application should now be successfully deployed on Render. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.